Hi, welcome to Sumari P. Greetings from Tuscany, Italy. Have you ever wondered how to make a quick classic Italian dish like Melanzane Parmigiana or Eggplant Bake? I've perfected a 30-minute quick midweek simple meal. I'm even cheating and using a jar sauce. So if you want to know how to make it, come with me and let's see. So here's the simple ingredients all ready to go. Got our jar sauce. We like spicy things, so we're using a arrabbiata sauce by Barilla. I've also got on my blog a version of how to make your own sauce. If you don't like a spicy sauce, just use a regular sauce. We've got our eggplant prepared. 2 medium eggplants. I sliced them yesterday and roasted them in the oven for about 10 minutes on each side, or you can grill them quickly. Half a cup of parmesan, some basil for the top, pine nuts for the top, and 2 bowls of mozzarella cheese. So I'll prepare it and show you how easy it is. So first step, we've got our baking dish. I'm going to just lightly oil the bottom so the aubergine doesn't stick. Just swivel that around. And then we've got our prepared aubergine that I'm just going to layer up. So we just need, it's like making lasagna. So put 1 layer of the aubergine on the bottom. We've got our jar sauce. We just want to use a little bit. I don't even measure it, I just throw it on. Just spread out the tomato sauce a little bit. Break up one of the mozzarella balls. I just rip it in pieces. If you want to be more precise and cut it, but this works fine. I love making fast food. I get hungry or I get hangry, and this is one that I like to make during the week when I want fast food but healthy. And we'll have some of our Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle that on the layer. Depending on how much eggplant you've got, it's usually 2 layers. They feel like little sponge parcels with the rest of the sauce. So I tend to put more sauce on top than on the bottom layer. And I don't bake my eggplant with any oil, even though the traditional Italians bake it and then fry it, or they cut it and fry it in oil, but I found it gets too greasy and I like this. Pine nuts, there's a 1/4 cup of them. That adds a nice texture and crunch. Basil leaves. I'll leave some of the basil for serving. So here we have our eggplant all laid up, ready for the oven. I'm going to bake it in my preheated oven, which has been on for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. Just bake for 30 minutes and then dinner will be ready. Eggplant's baked. I've let it sit for 10 minutes. Now we're ready for our taste test. Delicioso. I love having this maybe once a week. I've got a crunchy top, cheesy top with the crunch of the pine nuts. Just taste amazing. If you've liked my Italian special today, hit the like button. Send me a comment if you've tried this recipe. And I really need some more subscribers. So if you've watched this, you've liked what you've seen, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, and then you get the email every week when I've got a new video. I'm roughly doing a new video a week. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Buono.